Hey guys. Hey woman that edits all the pictures, the videos. Let's see, we're gonna turn y'all just a little bit more this way so y'all can get me setting the trusses, hooking them up, and the thing over there. Y'all watch and learn how to do it. I'm gonna mess with it. Day 2, me not trying to die from Ben. So far it hasn't been easy. So far it's been tough. He likes to run that skid steer wide open. I don't know why he's looking at me. He just scares me sometimes. got all the trusses up. We just gotta go put the braces in underneath it.
Where you gonna get him chainsaw? Yeah. I'll follow you in there. James is gonna go get him a chainsaw here. I gotta show him what a chainsaw looks like. No, chainsaw's not in here.
I give him a sawzall. He'll be out with that.
Ain't no chainsaw in here.
I see it, man.
Hey.
Maybe if I move stuff.
I'm gonna show them a little tour of our trailer right here. Tool trailer. Hey guys, this right here is a cut hub. That's the best thing since white bread right there. That's the best thing since white bread right there. Make sure it's got some bar roll.
What?
We can get by with just toenailing it.
We can do that, can we? Hey, put them up.
That's all we did on my house and Mama's house and the greenhouse and the White House and Rachel's house. Not with trusses. Anyway, that's the cut hub right there. We'll have to demo that one day. If you look up cut hub on Instagram, it shows you. It's awesome. It's worth every penny. We got the new Max Power Light compressor. It's regular and high pressure. This is 120 psi is regular and 355 psi is high. It's pretty cool. We got our Makita chop saw. Got a Milwaukee table saw. This is where we try to keep all of our batteries, put them on charge. We got an AC in here when it gets too hot down here, we turn the AC on. We got our Milwaukee chop saw. We ain't got a spot for that yet, but we're definitely gonna get it on there. Got a refrigerator to put all of our water in right there. Gotta have water. This is hooked up to a 30 amp circuit. It's plugged out like an RV plug on the outside. Got a new jumbo nailer. This is all of our nail guns. We've got a lot of nail guns. A lot of them. It needs to be organized a little bit more, but the DirtWorx. Got the Stabila LA150 and the laser. This is our big saw. I forgot what that's called, but anyway. Holler at me. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a tool trailer review. We bought this. This is a 20-foot trailer, 8.5 feet tall, I think. Then we built this out with 3/4 inch plywood, and Craig jigged it together. Got all of our saws right there as well. That's our big plate leveler right there. We should have that out there instead of the other one, but we like to do things the hard way. But anyway, if you're interested in having a tool trailer review, just comment below and we'll pull this sucker out and let y'all see it. What you been doing? Nothing. Nothing? Come here and see what we was building. Guys, we are fixing to call it a day here. We got all of the trusses up there. Doing some minor adjustments on it there. Off a little bit on that end. But we got all of the trusses up. Oliver, come over here. Next step is girts, and then some 5/8 plywood on top. So it's coming along pretty good. Coming along pretty good. So guys, y'all take it easy. We'll catch y'all on the next one.